Welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to use Hybrid Pro's gender filter by name. This feature allows you to filter users based on their first name to categorize them as male, female, or unisex, helping you optimize your automation strategy effectively. What is the gender filter by name? The gender filter by name helps you detect and filter users based on their first names. It allows you to target specific audiences based on gender preferences when interacting with users in mass actions. Why is this important? Helps personalize your outreach and interactions, prevents unnecessary engagement with users outside your target audience, ensures higher engagement rates by focusing on relevant users. How to use the gender filter by name. Step 1. Enable the feature Navigate to the Gender by Name filter section in Hybrid Pro. Click on Enable to activate the filtering. Step 2. Choose a gender category. Select your preferred category from the drop-down. Male targets only male users. Female targets only female users. Unisex includes both genders. Step 3. Additional customization, optional. Enable skip mode if you want to skip certain genders instead of filtering them in. Add custom names to specify gender recognition. Use the syntax M, John, W, Jane, M, Jack. M represents male, W represents female. Best practices for effective filtering. Use gender-based targeting for personalized interactions. If your campaign is gender-specific, enable the appropriate filter. For general audiences, keep the setting on unisex for wider reach. Ensure your name list is updated to maximize accuracy. By optimizing your targeting with the gender filter, you improve efficiency, increase engagement, and create a better automated interaction strategy within Hybrid Pro. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video useful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more automation tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.